Welcome to the Virtual Coffee Lab. My name's Mike and I'm your host, and I'm so glad that you found my YouTube channel. This channel is all about coffee, specifically coffee at home, and even more specifically, specialty coffee at home. Many of you may not know what specialty coffee is, and we'll learn that together. But I want to share with you my over 40 years of experience with coffee, and more specifically, I want to share the last 6 or 7 years with you because that's where I've had the most excitement. I'm roasting, brewing, grinding, drinking coffee here at home. And so I want to show you how I do that. I want to show you videos on how I brewed coffee, how I use different brewing methods, where I find great coffee that's already been roasted, where I find great green coffee that I can roast, and how I've learned to roast my coffee. So join me, won't you, for my upcoming videos, one at a time. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and most important, if you could, hit that bell for notifications so that each time I send and upload a video to YouTube, you'll be notified. Also, share your comments with me. Let me know what your experience has been with coffee roasting and coffee, specialty coffee at home. I'd love to hear those as well. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you at my next video.